A sting that poured love, the blue eyes and the blonde hair, the cruel cheeks drenched in sweat. The swords guarding the blue dots murdered me mercilessly just a moment ago. The fragrance that one just imagines sung to my senses a song that still echoes in the corridors of my heart. And then the sting that shook me and murdered me mercilessly just a moment ago. The vaporous glass and her fist, kissed in despair, marked a language that murdered me mercilessly just a moment ago. They call it life. To me, they are the life. They tried to wave to cross the banks and bade a goodbye that murdered me mercilessly just a moment ago. O you, the wind, wipe off my tears, fly to them, and whisper to them that goodbyes aren't goodbyes, they are the stings, the cruel stings that murdered me mercilessly just a moment ago. Fall into me and fall forever, and so shall I, for you are the faith I baptized for, and it was a change that murdered me mercilessly just a moment ago.